Today for unboxing we have this newly launched mixer grinder by Philips, which is HL7505. This mixer grinder is absolutely suitable for all your daily grinding needs at a very affordable price range. Best is that it comes with a powerful 500 watt hybrid motor for tough grinding, and it comes with a 2-year warranty. On the box, the mixer grinder looks quite compact, and a refreshing change is this nice purple and a white color combination. Some of the features which are mentioned on the box here are, firstly, as I mentioned earlier, it comes with a powerful 500 watt motor. Then all the 3 jars here comes with a very high grip handles. So as you can see in the picture, all the 3 jars have handles. These jars are leak proof, and it comes with a large switch knob. We'll open up the box and we'll see how does the actual mixer grinder looks like. Because of powerful 500 watt motor, this mixer grinder can be used for 15 continuous batches of daily used ingredients for grinding. So you can actually grind all the tough ingredients in this mixer grinder. Moving to the price points, this mixer grinder HL7505 comes at a very affordable price range of 3,195 rupees. You can check out the Best Buy links in the description box below. Few key features are also mentioned on this side of the box about the leak-proof jars, large switch knob for easy operation, easy locking and unlocking, the compact size of the mixer grinder, and it comes with easy grip handles. Also, there are 3 jars. We have the dry jar, the wet jar, and the chutney jar. Now let's open the box.
Hey Leute, guck mal, aus dem Museum. Hat der kein Handy oder wie? Hier, guck mal. Und wenn ich ihn wiedergebe?
The packaging is nice and simple, and these are all the components of our mixer grinder. So this is the look of our new mixer grinder along with the 3 jars. The design looks quite nice and is quite compact as well. Especially I like this purple and a white color combination. It looks quite refreshing and it is pleasing as well. Also, if you notice that all the 3 jars come with handle, it makes it very convenient for handling, especially the chutney jar. Generally, chutney jar does not have handle. So when on continuous grinding, the jars generally heat up and we usually use a cloth to remove the jars. So, but now because of this high grip handle, it is not needed anymore, and we can now easily handle the jars post usage. So all the handles used are quite sturdy. Even the lid of the jars are made up of very nice quality plastic. Plus, all the 3 jars are made up of high quality stainless steel, which makes it very durable. Coming back to the jars, first we have this 1.25 liters wet grinding jar, then we have 0.75 liter dry grinding jar, and lastly we have 0.33 liter chutney jar. So basically this mixer grinder takes care of all kind of grindings in our kitchen. So if we remove the jar, so essentially this is the mixer grinder. It is actually very compact. It will just take this much space on your kitchen shelf. You can easily store it in kitchen drawer as well. At the base, we have vacuum feet which are quite strong. So if you notice that this mixer grinder has got 3 vacuum feet, which is actually a tripod architecture. This kind of architecture is generally used in camera and our rifles for their stands, because a tripod basically absorbs all the vibration. So a mixer grinder with this tripod architecture basically absorbs all the vibration while it is in operation. Moving on to the knob, this mixer grinder comes with a quite big knob, unlike the other mixer grinders which we usually have. This knob helps in giving us better grip. Also, if you notice that there are grooves all over the knob, which helps in firm gripping even when one's hands are messy while cooking, as fingers don't slip on it. The coupler used in this mixer grinder is quite sturdy and is made up of superior quality, which ensures lesser breakdown and it avoids frequent tripping. Also, if you notice that there is a space around the coupler, which makes the cleaning of this area easy. So if while grinding something gets dripped over, then you can easily clean it and it can be simply removed from this area. Further at the back side, you will notice these ventilation ducts. This will ensure that the mixer grinder does not heat up when in use. All the jars of this mixer grinder are completely leak proof, so there is no leakage from the bottom. Also, the gasket which is used in the lid is made up of superior quality, which ensures firm fitting of the lid on top of the jars, which ensures that there is no leakage from here as well. Now let's use our mixer grinder. For this, I'll be making coconut chutney in the chutney jar. So I have cut fresh coconut in small pieces, and here it goes into the chutney jar. Then we'll add curd. You can see that the mixer grinder looks quite compact in my kitchen as well. After that, I have added green chili and then salt. So all the ingredients goes into my chutney jar. We'll lock it back and cover it with the lid. Let's start grinding. For grinding, firstly we'll pulse it for 3 times, and after that we'll grind at speed 1 for 30 seconds, then 30 seconds on speed 2, and then 30 seconds on speed 3. Our grinding is done, and let's see the result. Here is the coconut chutney ready. You can see it has grinded really very well. There are no pieces left in the jar. Actually, I'm quite impressed with this grinding result. Also, because of the handle, I can easily remove the chutney jar from the mixer grinder. You can have a closer look at my coconut chutney, which we have prepared in this new mixer grinder. Overall, this is a compact mixer grinder with good grinding performance. So if you are looking for a good quality mixer grinder which can do all your tasks, wet grinding, dry grinding, making chutneys, and your